Hello everyone, today is May 26th. I went fishing here on this channel right in the populated area in the city of Astrakhan, since we have a fishing ban, but you can fish within the administrative boundaries of the populated area. This yerek is connected to the Volga through a sluice from the Volga, and fish come in through this sluice to spawn. Last year, who was it? Her? She constantly watches my videos. I used to fish here, right where the willow tree fell into the water, and there were a lot of Crucian Carp. But at the moment it's still too early, because it's still green. Basically, well, not ripe yet. It doesn't fall. Well, I decided to bait the spot. I brought some fermented corn with me. I brought some plain soaked peas with me, just soaked them, and now I'm going to bait the whole area here. Subtitles. Just like that. Wow, it sure has a smell. Yes, someone really overfed it here. That's enough bait for now. It'll start working soon. While we're waiting for the fish to come, I want to cast a couple of cake feeders. Maybe I'll get lucky and catch a carp. Or maybe I'll catch a Crucian Carp with them. Well, by the way, take a look. There are already fry here. They're so tiny. I zoomed in here. Otherwise you can't even see them at all. They're just tiny. The little house will go to sleep soon. Look, the berries are already like this. So, it turns out I'll be sitting between two cake feeders, fishing with a float. I'll probably put some corn on the bottom. I need less. There will be a Crucian Carp here. So, here's the corn. And on top, I'll put a little worm. I dug it up in the garden today. And it's just the right one. Now that's beautiful. So, here it is. But the shot hit the target. Good. It's going well. She started pulling. There's something here, huh? Small fry. There are lots of blue bream here. It's pulling somewhere. Something got hooked. Blue bream. Whoa, that's a real bender. Wow, she even managed to lay down the float. Oh my! A predatory fish got hooked. Swallowed it, huh? What a nice thick fish. Well, look, I raised the float high, and it turns out the rig is lying right on the bottom. The fish rises from the bottom. Very beautiful. It was caught in a net. There's a net somewhere around here. Look, it was caught in a net. There's a net somewhere in this channel. Oh, it got caught on 2 hooks. Опа! Опа! Лещ! Got one. Wow, that's something. Wow, look at that. Ha, what a bream, but it's all covered in blood, damn. Cool. Oops. Well, now this is interesting. He just grabbed everything at once and dragged it away. Whoa. To steal. Finally, my first Crucian Carp. Got it. Finally, the first Crucian Carp. Wow, what a handsome one. Well, that's already pleasing. That's already pleasing, which means soon the Crucian Carp will start biting little by little. So the Crucian Carp is already here. And I was already thinking about leaving this place. Oh, a little redfin. Gotcha. Wow, it swallowed the hook so deep. Damn. Whoa! Little Crucian Carp, wow. Yeah, not bad at all. Yes. So, I'll tell you now how I caught it. Actually, I'll show you. It's just the right size for the frying pan. Well, anyway. Look, there's a mulberry tree hanging over here, and when I lower the float, I just take it and... I cast it over the tree like this and wait, and... But this time it bit right away. It bit right away, basically. So it turns out that all the Crucian Carp are standing under the trees, right on the surface. Well, maybe not all of them, maybe just some of them. But as soon as I cast right away, man, such a big fish. I don't know where to put it. I need to put it straight into the bag. Ants have swarmed in. Whoa! There was just a bite. The fishing line is slack. Whoa! I think there's something here. Dumb. Oh no no no. Looks like the float sank. Whoa! Damn, guys, there was a carp there. Damn, the apple is long. There was a carp there for sure. It pulled so hard. Excellent. Friends, I've been using this generator for over 3 months now. It's an Artelf Spectre generator rated at 3 kilowatts. It has been broken in, I've changed the oil, and I've been using it for 3 months, you could say. Pretty hard on it. My friend and I powered an entire house with it. He has a business on an island where there's no electricity. We ran a washing machine, a microwave, an electric kettle, used an angle grinder, and a circular saw. It handled everything with no problem. There are a lot of indicators here: oil level, overload, and operating status. There are also USB sockets here for charging gadgets, a regular 220 volt outlet, a special outlet for charging a 12 volt battery, and you can connect an additional generator in parallel. An additional generator, if you need more power, is a gasoline inverter generator. Compact, lightweight, easy to use, and with electric start. Even a delicate girl can start the engine. There's nothing complicated about it. Here, you open the valve, and here you move the working damper to the closed position. That's it. Now let's try it.
Let it warm up a little, just turn it on for 5 to 10 seconds.
And that's it.
The generator is running, and right now the generator is running in economy mode.
It consumes
a smaller amount
of fuel.
Also saves.
Here is the voltage indicator, the frequency indicator, the engine hours, and the operating time. Well, what I like most about it is that I just picked it up and carried it. Maybe
someone may be interested or looking for a generator.
I'll leave the link in the description.
Old wardrobe.
Gotcha.
What a handsome one. Gotcha, little Crucian Carp.
Put it in the net.
That was good.
Oh, where's the float? Where did the float go?
Here it is.
Where's the float?
Something's twitching here, friends. No,
It's...
either something's dropped. Or it's a bite.
The float is also getting bites.
I don't know, maybe I should pull it out. I'm pressing them. There's something... Oh, carp. Whoa. Carp! Hey, wow, no way, that's awesome. What a big guy. What a beauty. Look who's there. Oh, it's nibbling. Come on, buddy, a bit lower. That's it. I'll drop it. Damn, what was that? What kind of big fish was that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Right now it's mid-water. How do you like the leader? Look, the channel is completely dry. There wasn't a single drop of water here. And how deep is it, right? Subtitles. This is the leash this year. Precise dry land. Look, this is my height, and the shore is still about half a meter above my head. Well, I'm just speechless. Well, that's the catch. The Crucian Carps really made me happy. Good Crucian Carps for frying, and a bream.
A little blue bream.
So, I'm not coming home empty-handed. It was a good fishing trip, and it's coming to an end, to its logical conclusion. I caught some fish, I'm satisfied, I sat around, enjoyed myself. I noticed that the mulberries are already ripening, and once they ripen, they'll start falling into the water, and right here, under the bank, under the branches of this mulberry tree, Crucian carp and little carp will start to gather. Last year I had a good catch here. There were schools of Crucian carp swimming on the surface, so just a little longer, and I'll come back here again and fish. For the mulberry, no worms, no corn, only mulberry, just these berries. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, my friends. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, my friends. We'll meet again soon.
Пока.
Subtitles by Dima Torzok. Subtitles by Dima Torzok. Continuation. Oh, it sizzles like Kiss cheese. Damn, I'm bored. Wow. Oh, where's that speckled one? Alright. Oh, I've got a little fish here. Interesting. Oh, damn. A little fish? Kitty! Damn it, kitty! Kitty! Oh, their faces are sticking out. Sticking out. No, sticking out. They're scared. Alright, clean it up. They'll come out now, I think. Yeah, the speckled one heard it. And then, hop! Looks like her kittens have grown up, kitty.